All right, a little windy today, but today we're gonna actually bring a light, an outdoor light. This is fits in the palm of my hand, but it's super powerful. We're gonna set up two of them. All right. So today, this is the one set. As you can see, it comes with a remote, to extend the arm, and the screws to actually screw this up. So we're gonna have two different lights in two different sizes, one tall, one short, so you can see which one's brighter or how you want to see it as a different dimension. So let's take a look at the actual light. It has a sensor, all right, a motion sensor, if you guys can see that, day to night mode sensor, plenty of LED lights, one small but powerful solar panel that collects a lot of light. So for the morning, through the morning, and then the night, it's going to shine for a couple hours. It kind of, you could turn it off or you could time it. You could use the timer, different kinds of modes, 1, 2, 3, on and off. Very simple. Let's go ahead and use it at night and see how it looks. All right, if you guys can see, it's super dark, and we're gonna do a test with two different lights side by side. We're gonna turn the small one first, that's lower to us. We're gonna turn it on. Right, that's on. You guys can see this one's about maybe 8 feet tall, and I'm gonna turn on the other one too. This one's about 12 feet long. All right, so let me get closer. The controller has to be real close, maybe about 5 feet close. You can see this here, how it looks. I can't turn it off from this far, but these are actually pretty good. So I'm gonna turn off this one right here and just keep that one on. I'm gonna turn it off and on so you guys can see how bright it is. These different modes. See, lighter mode. This is the brightest. So there's 3 modes that you can do that. This is the brightest, the mid-range, and then really low. So we're gonna turn it on, turn it high, and we're gonna come back when it turns off, and it's automatically set with the sensor. So we're gonna let this run with the sensor. All right, we're gonna walk out at the light to see how the sensor works. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's walk towards it. I'm about like maybe, there it goes. I'm about like 5 feet when it started doing it. So not bad. The sensor's working very good. It turns off after a couple minutes, and very simple. Controls the plus, 2 lights. Turn it on. That one's 12 feet, 8 feet. Lights up the whole place here. Very good. Hope you guys enjoy the video.